If I was an online coach starting from scratch in 2024, this is exactly what I would be focusing on to grow my business to $5,000 per month. Now, the very first thing, my ideal client profile. Who do I actually want to help? I know this might be hard when you're just getting started. You can think about your own transformation or any influencers or people that had the kind of profile and program that you wish you could have. That would be a good starting point, especially if you've never coached. Number two is I would have a hybrid program. A lot of coaches think they need to work on the gym floor before going online. Nah, just do both at the same time and grow your online while you get that in-person experience at the same damn time. It helps. Number three is mentors and courses. Unfortunately, your PT qualification only taught you so much. It didn't teach you how to grow a business. Let's be real. So you need to invest in someone to help you learn how to get to the next level. And if you can't invest in a mentor, buy a course. Courses are a lot cheaper. Number four is a content strategy. It doesn't matter whether you work face-to-face or online, you have to start putting out some content and some value to the market. So you need to come up with a content strategy. You can find it on YouTube. And number five is I would be investing in systems, because if you don't have systems in your business, you get stuck on the gym floor coaching and counting reps for the rest of your life. And if you're not sure what systems you need, just leave a comment with the word systems and I will send you the exact apps and software that I use to run my coaching business.